We are the Georgia Tech Emory Department of Biomedical Engineering, and it's truly a joint department between Emory University School of Medicine and Georgia Tech College of Engineering.
What's unique and special about the BME program and what really sets us apart is the true collaboration we have between a medical school and a College of Engineering. We have great faculty at both places, wonderful seed grants to support interactions. So we really offer our students not only a flexible curriculum, but really the chance to do just about anything they want to do and the chance to get significant training in that area.
The way Georgia Tech is structured, we have collaborators in every department, and from chemistry to mechanical engineering to electrical engineering, and it's easy to collaborate. The barriers are very low. We have fantastic faculty and students. We have a culture that is dynamic, open to experimentation. We take risks and discover and grow, and we have amazing facilities.
This whole bioengineering concept that we've developed, where we integrate all of the engineering programs with our department and with the life sciences that happens with Emory, it just creates this place of incredible ingenuity when you put all of these different ideas together.
Innovation is really finding new solutions to old problems and maybe even finding new problems that need to be tackled. And I think that's sort of what we do with our students. We do almost a problem-based learning approach where we don't just teach them out of a book, we give them a problem. And I think that the students see that as an opportunity to really push forward and learn about what it means to be innovative.
We're always pushing the envelope. We're looking at the research that's already been done and trying to move forward and find the next big breakthrough.
The students understand that they're working in a field with potential for huge impact. Even if they're not at the end point, that one discovery that they made in the lab that day has this potential down the line to change someone's life.
In 1953, when I was a student here in a routine medical exam by an ROTC examiner, they discovered that I had an aortic valve leak in my heart. Years later, when I finally needed to have surgery, ironically, the mechanical valve that they chose to implant was developed with extensive work and research at Georgia Tech for biomedical engineering. So that little valve opens and closes 100,000 times every day and has since 1998. So you might say I have 100,000 reasons every day to be grateful for the great program here in biomedical engineering.
The reason why I chose the biomedical engineering program at Georgia Tech and Emory is because of the initial feelings that I got when I came here for recruitment. It just felt like a really great atmosphere. The people were all very friendly. At other places, you kind of get more of a competitive nature, whereas here everybody's willing to help one another and very willing to collaborate and share knowledge for the growth of the research.
I'm on the admissions and recruiting committee as well, and when we look at students, one thing that we try to pull out from personal statements and from recommendation letters is actually just good people. Not just who can come and do the work, because there's many students that can come and do the work, but who can come and contribute to our community and be a good citizen of the BME community that we have here.
The point of diversity is that we grow as people, that we learn nuances about our world. By having faculty who are biologists and chemists and mechanical engineers and electrical engineers and computer scientists, we are intellectually diverse. And our students, as a result, get the experience of diversity that is very broad.
One of the great aspects of being a graduate student here is that we have a very large group of several hundred students that actually interact with professional development, social activities, education and outreach within the community, and other aspects of graduate student life. I love being here. I think being at Georgia Tech is very exciting. There's always something new, and there's also just great faculty, great students, and a great atmosphere here.
In biomedical engineering, we take our students and their growth seriously, and we are interested in training and educating successful leaders and thinkers who, no matter what they choose to do, including finding a job in biomedical engineering, that they're going to be successful.
It's an environment that will support the success of those who are interested in making a difference in healthcare and ultimately in the world.